Damn. Oh. That freaking wrist rocket.
Dude, I'm telling you, we would be rapid firing at that gun right now. I'd love to see you do that, actually.
Well, they don't go where fish aren't. Fish on, dude.
There you go.
Okay, fire drill, guys, fire drill.
Yeah, we're going. Just, you concentrate on the fish, we'll get everything else.
Yes, sir.
Tell me if you want to drop off though.
So far, no. I'm at 30. Oh, he's a pig, dude. We're gonna drop.
Calm down, calm down. Alright.
That means Tyler or Ryan is gonna have to, yeah, Ryan, you run the boat. Can you run the boat? Ryan?
I am not really on the depth.
No. Actually, no. No. The socks are in, guys?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, dude. This is huge.
Force him in, Eric.
I'm gonna. He's at 10 feet right now. He's just hunkering. You probably like another spool, you guys. Just hold on a second. I'm like Brett. Hold on now, hold on. I don't think I'm still 10 feet down, dude. Yep. High sticky. 3, 4, 5,
Nice.
18 feet.
Nice.
But he's not traveling anywhere. He's just staying right here with the boat. Nope. He's staying right here. He's just going for depth, you know? Did you see the size of him, dude?
No, I didn't.
Dude, it's not small.
There we go.
Whew.
You got way more patience.
Well, the rod's half bent, dude.
You're doing awesome.
If he's going downstream, yes, we might want to.
Pop off?
I don't think it'll help us get to him though, because he's staying right here. You know what I mean?
Man, up beat this fish.
Hey, dude, he's not kidding.
Horse him.
I just give it one more dial up on the freaking drag. Look at my rod. How about we switch places? You know what I'm saying? Don't chase him like that, dude. You stab, and then fucking scoop.
I hit the anchor.
Fucking pig. Stay right there. Stay right there. Are you kidding me, dude? Holy rat shit.
No fin?
Holy
crap.
Yeah, this thing hits the net the first time. And they almost put me over, dude.
Dude, that's the biggest square I've ever caught.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh my god!